Hey there, it's Pete Muehlbrunner, AHI Consulting, here on an inspection. Remove the panel cover. During the removal process, I noted improper fasteners. So often people will use sheet metal screws to attach a service panel cover plate. And what's interesting is find one screw that is not like the others. So if you can see, this one screw is missing a section. Try to get a better video of that. Missing a section, it's all scorched and black. So if we look in the service panel, we notice that there's one breaker actually shut off in the panel. And then we look a little more carefully and we find significant scorching. Let me get a little better light on this. But scorching within the electric panel and actually a damaged wire in the electric panel. So it stresses the importance of using the correct fasteners when attaching the front cover of the panel. Correct fasteners have a blunt end. They don't have a pointed end. The pointed end or improper thread and screw length can often cause damage to internal wiring in the service panel. So while it may seem like an insignificant item, it can lead to a significant safety and fire hazard. So check your electric panel, make sure the screws that are holding the front cover on are the correct screws from the manufacturer so you can avoid this. Also, as an inspector, never turn breakers back on that are shut off. We find them shut off frequently, and often there's a reason they're off. And in this case, it is the fact that the wire is arcing and scorching the interior of the panel. So just an interesting little, relatively simple correction, but a relatively important safety issue. Thank you.